Quick note, the visuals shown here are generic educational examples. They're not intended to represent any specific brand, manufacturer, model, or approved installation method. One of the biggest goals is reducing trapped oxygen. Oxygen can accelerate corrosion. During filling procedures, technicians often bleed air from the system. In many systems, the inspector's test connection is located near the most remote part of the system. Opening the inspector's test connection allows trapped air and water to move through the piping. Once the excess air is removed and water flow stabilizes, the valve can be closed. Some systems also use automatic air vents or air release devices. These are usually installed at high points in the sprinkler piping, where air naturally wants to collect. When the system is filled with water, trapped air rises to these areas. The air vent allows that air to escape, instead of staying trapped inside the pipe. This matters because trapped air can create oxygen pockets inside the system. And oxygen is one of the things that can speed up corrosion inside steel pipe. Less trapped air can mean less oxygen exposure. And that can help reduce the chances of corrosion, dirty water, and long-term pipe damage. Now, an air vent doesn't magically make a system perfect, but it can be one part of a good corrosion control strategy. Some systems use nitrogen instead of oxygen-rich air. Regular air contains oxygen, and oxygen can speed up corrosion inside steel piping. When oxygen mixes with moisture inside the pipe, rust and corrosion can form over time. Nitrogen helps reduce the oxygen inside the system, which can significantly slow down internal corrosion. This is common in dry pipe and pre-action systems. What about flushing the sprinkler system? Does that help? Yes, but only to a point. Flushing can remove dirty water, rust flakes, sludge, and loose debris inside the pipe. But it does not stop corrosion. It cleans out some of the mess, but if oxygen-rich water or trapped air stays in the system, corrosion can come back. Regular inspections and maintenance help identify corrosion problems before they become severe. Quarterly, annual, and 5-year inspections all play an important role in keeping a sprinkler system reliable. The 5-year inspection is especially important for catching internal corrosion, buildup, or hidden pipe issues that can lead to dirty brown or black water during system operation.